Hey, are you one of the dudes who is just popping bubbles and don't know what content to upload on YouTube? Well, you are at the right place. Today I'm going to show you 4 golden rules to make better content. One of 4 golden rules is big idea. And how to choose a big idea? Well, there's so many ways. For me, it's so hard to find a good idea that actually gets so many views. That's why I don't have many views. Don't click it out. Big idea is basically what people want the most from your niche or what you are doing. After big idea, thumbnail is all you want. If someone wants to see your video, first they see is your thumbnail. If your thumbnail is not intriguing, if your thumbnail doesn't say what you're gonna show, they won't click it. So make it interesting, make it bright. It's a small area, but it makes the biggest impact. First they click, after clicking you have to make them hook. That's the number 3 rule. So for hooking, what you do is make your audience stick, get into your video and you explain what you're gonna do in the next few minutes of the video. So it makes them more excited what to expect. Is retention. Retention can be achieved from making cuts, visual effects, animation and blah blah blah. Yeah, these are the 4 golden rules simplified. If you want more simplification or a lengthy video, just comment below. Now you have to pay $8 to Twitter if you want blue tick. Don't get famous, bro. You don't have to pay $8.